All right, so your face assignment. We have 12 things to add to a picture of our face. It says here to locate and download a picture of your face. So I suggest going onto your phone, taking a few selfies, find one that works. Then I'd suggest downloading the Google Drive app to your phone. That way you can take your picture and transfer it from your phone to your Google Drive. So I take my picture of my face, I put it in my drive, and there it is. I want to download this image. It's going to go to my computer's downloads folder. Okay, got it. I use my link to get to Pixlr. So here I am. I'm going to go to File. Let's go Open Image. It's in my downloads. Open it, and there it is. Okay, but it's the wrong direction. How do you spin this? Well, if I want image, let's rotate this entire canvas. I'm gonna go counterclockwise. There it is. I can go a little bigger if I want. I can zoom in or out if I want. There's my photo. Excellent photo. All right, what do we got? Then says that one's done. Perfect. Done. 2. I have a zone of my image, which I use the blur tool. So over here, all the tools. Find the one called the blur tool. Sharpen. There's blur. And you click on it. Up here for options. It's how big is the brush do you want, and how strong is the blur going to happen. I'll suggest zooming in on a part of your face. And zoom out a little bit. I'm going to go Control minus, zoom out a little bit. There it is. That way you can see the blur tool happen. So I take a little bit bigger brush maybe. Let's go a little bigger brush. I'm going to have the brush be a bigger diameter, spacing, hardness of the brush. I'm going to say OK to it. Oops, where did it go? There it is. I'm going to make click and drag over my eyeball, a couple of clicks. And it's hard to see on the video, but it's definitely a little bit of a blur going on to the eyeball there. So the more you click and drag, the more it'll blur. It's going to blur the eyeball, for instance. Okay? So your task is to go through all these steps, find this tool, give it a try. This tool, give it a try. I suggest don't just take the actual one, like the sponge tool. I would try all the settings up here. Try the brush sizes. Maybe go bigger brush. You want to go have it desaturate, which means to take things away. Have it be a pretty strong desaturation. You click and drag. What happened there? It took away the colors. I have it saturate. It's going to add color to it. So again, try those tools out. They are all here. Works through the list little by little. I'd try them out. The clone stamp tool, kind of a trick for that one, but not really. The clone stamp tool, let me zoom out here. Zoom out. Maybe want to have a bigger eyebrow. So go to the clone stamp tool. To activate it, I'm going to need to use the button. I think it's the control. See, I hold the control button down on the keyboard. The cursor turns to a little crosshairs. Let go goes away. I must hold the control button down, then click my grab zone, and let go. It's going to take that grab zone and apply it. See, the little crosshairs appears. So I'm grabbing from that grab zone and painting it on that circle. So you can keep grabbing and grabbing and grabbing. You can paint just a pretty sweet eyebrow. On a new grab zone, hold control, establish it, let go of control, and then kind of click and drag that zone on. That's the clone stamp tool. What else we got? Pinch tool, blow it too low, so you should have figured out. 12 says add a design element to the background of the image. Use any of the above steps to make it look like it was always there. So they want is somewhere in the background, add something. Maybe you're going to add maybe a plate of food back here, a can of pop, maybe a dog. So you go out to the internet, or use your cell phone, take a photo of something, and bring it in. Hold on. So got photo taken, got it downloaded in the Google Drive app to my drive. I'm going to download it. These are my dogs. And add them to my picture. See how that goes. So here's the trick. I have to first open the picture. And there it is. Okay. I want to take me just this dog. So the trick is I have to get rid of things I don't want, pick what just I do want. So I'm going to kind of do a pretty rough job. This is only assignment number 1, no worries. I'm going to click this little lasso tool and click and drag around its entire perimeter. Drag, drag. Whoops, I'm a little bit off. That's quite all right. It's only assignment number 1, distance learning. We'll figure it out. So drag, 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 cut across his toes, her toes, back up, do one complete lasso. Notice now there's a little dancing, scrolling around her. If I go up to edit and cut, she's gone. I'm going to close the picture down and say no, and go edit and paste. There you are. And I can now click on her and move her around. She's too big. If I go to edit, free transform, I can grab the little sliders, make her smaller, shorter, maybe put her like she's in the background, sitting on top of the couch back here. So to get her close, shrink her down a little more, get on top of the couch. Okay, there she is. Oops, yes. But now I gotta cut part of her away. If I can kind of trace my shoulder and cut that piece out, make it a little more real. So if you zooms in, let's pan over. Let's try that. So I want to see my shoulder, but I can't. She's in the way. If I take her picture and I go to the, where's the opacity? Background, foreground. There it is. So I take the picture, open sliding options. Opacity means how visible is it. Okay. So I'm going to go to my picture and make my, her picture, and make hers a bit more transparent. She's kind of going away here. Perfect. I'm going to use the eraser tool. And I'm just going to kind of click and drag and erase her wherever my shoulder is. Kind of define that line, then kind of erase this whole chunk below my shoulder to get her to go away, and then make her full power again. Then zoom out, see how it looks. A little better, a little too bright. Just kind of dark back here and blurry back here. She's too clear. I use these tools to make her appear like she's always there. So there's the Your Face assignment.